Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD-CAM. Today we are going to make this T-type pipe joint in SolidWorks. In this video we will see how to use thread command in SolidWorks. Here is today drawing. So let's begin. First select the circle here. Draw one circle and another one also like this. Then we'll define the dimension. Outer dia will keep 28 mm and that inner one will make 25 mm. Okay. Then go to picture, select here extrude boss base and select here mid plane and extrude up to 35 mm, sorry 65 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch and select a convert entity, then select the circle here and draw one circle, and this dia we will keep 32 mm. Then select here extrude boss base, reverse direction and extrude up to 20 mm. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, sorry, select this face and sketch and select a convert entity and draw one more circle here, this side. So this dia will keep 35 mm and then we will extrude up to 8 mm, reverse direction 8 mm. Okay. Now select this page, sketch and select the inner circle, make convert entity. Okay. Now select a circle, draw one more circle here and this dimension will keep 22 mm. Okay. Then here extrude boss base and select this inner circle and here reverse direction 15 mm. Okay. So now select your top plane and select your plane. So 44 mm. So we'll make plane up to 45 mm. Okay. Now select this plane here, this plane, and sketch and make it normal. Then here draw one circle. This die will keep 20 mm. Okay. Now select here extrude boss base and reverse direction and here select up to surface and select this body. Okay. Now select this face, select a sketch and draw one more circle. So this circle dia will keep 17 mm. Okay. Now select your extrude cut and select this inner circle and here also up to surface, and this time we have to select inner face. Okay. Okay. You can see. Let's see. Okay. You can see now. Let's make it normal. Now select this face, sketch and normal. Select a convert entity and this circle. Okay. Then select a circle. So this circle dia will keep 28 mm. Okay. And here extrude boss base and circle, select the circle, inner one. Something is wrong. extrude post base, and yeah, it's okay now. And reverse direction 15 mm. Okay. Now let's hide this one. Now we will cut the thread. So select this corner and select your thread. Okay, so here blind 25 mm, and here select reverse offset, reverse direction. Okay, and here metric die. And select set 27 by times 3. Okay. Okay. Our thread is cut, is perfect. Now select this circle and select here hollow bezier and thread. This side also 27 times 3 metric. Here we have to select metric tab because this is internal thread. So we have to select the tab and select your offset, reverse direction. Okay. Let's see. You can see our thread is coming here, so just edit this one. $20 mm. Yeah. Now is starting point from here. Okay. Now you can see. Close the section view, then select this face. Now select your hollow bezier, thread, and here 20 mm. This. So just select here, up to selection, and select this circle. Okay. So here we are cutting external thread. So we have to select here die, metric die. Okay. Okay. Now you can see our starting point is here, so you can't fit this one. So just edit this one, select here edit feature and select here offset. You can see, then reverse direction. So now you can see the difference. So you can see now our starting point from here, before it was here. Okay. Now select a fillet and select this edge 2 mm. Okay. And select this face also, fillet 2 mm. Okay. Now we'll define the material. So select, go to appearance, select your metal, and okay, and let's see, is better. Let's see the section view. Okay, yeah, is better now. Just select this edge and select a fillet 1 mm. Okay. This side also chamfer 0.1. Okay. Okay. Now close the section view. So now you can see our T-type pipe joint is ready. I hope you guys understand how we use hollow bezier and thread command in SolidWorks. If you like the video, Please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks for watching.